Welcome to Pip Insights, Wednesday 15th of July, Asian pre-open. This session, we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, Euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, dollar, Swiss. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold breakdown, here it is. Price is sitting at 4,000. Heading into the Asian Open, and the structure tells an interesting story. On the 4-hour chart, gold has recovered well from the $3,990 lows hit earlier this week, but that recovery has stalled right where you'd expect it to. The EMA 50 at $40.80 is acting as a ceiling, and the broader downtrend from the $4,129 high remains intact. The H1 picture confirms this, with a sharp push to $4,089 during the European session that faded quickly, and price has since compressed into a tight $4,064 to $4,071 band. Classic pre-Asian coiling behavior. Our bias remains moderately bearish, while gold trades beneath that $4,080 to $4,095 resistance zone, with $4,093 to $4,030 as the key support reference below. On the fundamental side, today is genuinely significant for gold. We get PPI data at 08:30 New York time, with headline PPI forecast at flat following last month's 1% reading. A softer print could weaken the dollar and offer gold a lift. Then at 10:00, Fed Chairman Warsh testifies, which carries real market moving potential given current rate path uncertainty. Any dovish signals could fuel safe haven and rate-sensitive demand for gold. Watch $4,080 on the upside and $4,035 on the downside. Those are your session boundaries to monitor. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside, and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.1483 and 1.1489. Support is marked between 1.1439 and 1.14455. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside, and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3575 and 1.359. Support is marked between 1.3481 and 1.3498. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.807 and 0.8078. Support is marked between 0.803 and 0.8038. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.7023 and 0.7043. Support is marked between 0.6988 and 0.6996. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5864 and 0.5878. Support is marked between 0.5818 and 0.5832. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 219.5 and 219.55. Support is marked between 218.8 and 218.95. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at ForexXInsight for updates. See you next time.